Oh, like this is a lot of space for yourself. You're not sharing. Let's enter, and as we enter here, we enter to the kitchen area, and then I think over here would work as the dining room area. And then there's a little balcony, very tiny, but you know, there's gonna be a glass sliding door right there. So this is what the kitchen slash dining room is looking like. Then there's a door here. It's closed, but this door leads to the half bathroom. And as we continue here down to the living room, and to the right hand side, there's the washroom. And then this is the living room area. To the left is a bedroom with a closet area and the bathroom. I love the big window. And then just outside this bedroom is this door with a storage area just behind it. And this is the living room space that opens up back to the dining area and just around the corner from the kitchen. So let's continue. As we go to the left here is the master bedroom, and as you enter to the left is the master closet. Wooden furniture, and you continue to the master bedroom. It's not yet finished. And of course the master bathroom, which has both a shower and a bath or a tub. It's not yet completed. This toilet is like an electric automatic toilet that opens up as you walk close to it. So there are buttons, lights, all of that. Okay, so let's continue to the third bedroom, which is smaller. So this is the third bedroom. It's smaller than the other two, and it has an ensuite bathroom and closet. So this is the bathroom, and then this is the closet. And then here is the main balcony. And that is literally as soon as you enter into the apartment. On the left hand side, there is the balcony. So this is the master bedroom. And the master bathroom. Ooh. It has a jacuzzi and a shower. Is the pool area and the common area, which is not yet fully completed, and there's a jacuzzi over there as well. So this now is the 2-bedroom apartment, which is really big. There's a kitchen, dining and living room area, and as we walk along, to the left there is a little area, but to the right there is the bathroom and the wash area. And here is the bathroom, the half bathroom that is. As we turn around, you see this little area right here, which is really good because it can be used for like an office or a dining room area. But I mean, if you have the dining room on the other side, you really don't need it. And then this is one of the bedrooms, which is also really big. It has its own bathroom area. You see the standing shower, toilet, sink, the whole works. And then they have the same wooden theme going on in the closet over here. So as we walk out, we now enter into the other bedroom, which is also really big, lots of space, and this one also has its own bathroom and a closet. Now as we come back out to this side, I think this is where I like the most, the fact that there's this little area that can be used for like an office or just anything really. And then there's the balcony off to the side. You know, you get to see your neighbors outside, and then it opens up to the entire living, kitchen, dining, and it's really huge. Look at it, like really huge. Let's walk over to the kitchen for a bit, and you get to see the wooden cabinetry. Very nice if you're into wooden type things. Yeah. So this is the penthouse suite, but the layout is the same except that it goes upstairs. Small bedroom here, bathroom, tiny bathroom, washroom, and powder room. Storage closet there. bedroom, closet, bathroom. Oh, it's not yet finished. Bedroom. So this is you alone up here, sir? So we put up here, sir, now? Yeah. You have to keep party up here, sir, man. Right? Right about now, but I put up 3 more wall and build 3 more bedroom up here. Don't it? For the price. You know, put 3 dry walls. I'm on to 3 bedroom. You end up with a 6 bedroom apartment. Let's look over here. It's the neighbors. Oh, I think they're gonna build something over here because they're building something over here. Oh, like this is a lot of space for yourself. You're not sharing. Wow. So this is the penthouse suite, and this is the rooftop of the penthouse suite. You have a beautiful mountain view of the hills, and then you have an upper deck. No man, the amount of party you can keep up here, so let's go up. Oh, it's gonna be grassed. Wow, just look at the view. So you have a balcony on your balcony. On your balcony. Hi. Hi, Queen. The Queen is awake.